this today's video. As a website, Krishna Sai Prakash Deepak Districts, Prakash District, Andhra Pradesh State. Okay. Today we are discussing about the lesson on power symmetric subject related. The first unit, fundamental of electrical drives. Fundamental of electrical drives. Okay. So the fundamental of electrical drives is nothing but the consideration point of the what is the point of the drive. Okay, how to control the speed of the motor. Okay, so in the point of the speed of the motor is a requirement for the industrial purpose. Okay, for the domestic purpose. So in the motor we are using either DC motor, either DC motor. So every motor containing some speed is there. So based on the speed point of view, we require the low speed, high speed, above high speed. So that is the synchronous speed, below the synchronous speed, and above synchronous speed for the induction. Okay, today what is the first word definition of what is the drive or what is the electrical drive? Okay, what is the advantage of the electrical drive? So what is the electrical drive classifications? Okay, what is the conventional electrical drives and what is the modern electrical drives? And explain with each one. Okay, the motion control is required in the large number of industrial and domestic applications like as a transportation system, okay, rolling mills, paper machines, textile mills, okay, machine tools, fans, pumps, coptics, washing machines, etc. So the motion control is required for the so many applications like as a rolling mills, okay, paper mills, textile mills, machine modeling, okay, fans, pumps, robotics, washing machines, etc. System applies for the motion control or quality drive. The drive is a definition that any system apply the motion control is called a drive. It may be apply of a prime mover, any prime mover such as a diesel, petrol, gas, or steam turbine, steam engine, hydraulic motors, and electrical motor for the supplying the mechanical energy for the motion control. So you can give the electrical, the motor, the conversion of the electrical to mechanical energy. Okay, if you are given the electrical energy, you can get the mechanical output of the motor. It is applied, so the load on the motor. The drive implies the electrical motors are known as the electrical drive. Electrical drive. The definition of electrical drive is the drive implies the electrical motor are known as drive. An electrical drive can be defined, okay, as the electromechanical devices for the conversion of the electrical energy to the mechanical energy, impact of motion to different machines, and mechanism for various kinds of the process control. Various kinds of the process control. What is the advantage of the electrical drive? What is the advantage of the electrical drive? It is the basic flexibility control in characteristics. So this is the particularly true when the power electric conversion and the employ where the dynamic and the steady state characteristics of the motor can be controlled by controlling the apply the voltage or current. So that is the electrical characteristics point of view. What is the voltage is applied corresponding to what is the current the motor. The corresponding steady state characteristics of the motor can be controlled by controlling the applied voltage. You can change the apply voltage, you can change the current, the corresponding dynamic, you can consider the electrical drive is the flexibility characteristics. What is the, if you changes the dynamic and steady state characteristics of the motor, the control by the controlling the applied voltage and current. And it is the most advantage of the electrical drive available in the wide range of the speed. So that is the wide range of speed means it is the changes from the 0 to the maximum value, and the torque and the power. So they is available in the milliwattage and the megawattage range. That is the based on the what is the motor rating point of view. So the electrical drive are used for the milliwattage of the motor and the megawattage of the power range is considering the wide range of the speed controlling and advances of the electrical drive containing the high efficiency, low noise, low maintenance requirement, and clear operation condition. High efficiency is not a low noise, low maintenance requirement, and clear the operation. And the electric energy is easily to be transported over a long distances. So you can easily transport the power, okay, in the long distance point of view by using the electrical energy. And it is the main advantage of the electrical drive adapt to various operation conditions, explores submarine in the liquid, various types of the welding gas can be started instantly and can be fully loaded immediately. No need to warm up or refilling the motor. So that is the main example of the electromotive. You can start instantly and can be fully loaded immediately. That is the main advantage of the electrical drive. Okay. The conventional drive, the electrical drive classified in two types. Conventional electrical drive, second of motor next electrical drive. The conventional drive to electrical drive, the supply is given to the AC motor, the coupled with the DC generator. So, what is the generation of the EMF developed in the DC generator is connected to the DC motor and load is applied on the DC motor. So, that point of view, AC motor is rotated at the constant speed. The coupled with the DC generator also, it is maintained at the constant speed. What is the speed of the AC motor of the point of view? By changes the variable field generation, by changes the variable aggregation of the DC generator, EMF generated in the generator output across the generator, it is the changes. It is appearing across the DC motor. So that point supply voltage changes across the DC motor. Okay. So if you change the supply voltage point of view, the speed also changes, the corresponding torque also changes. So what is the requirement of load point of view? It is concerning the changes of the speed of the DC motor. When we are considering the AC motor is connected to supply voltage and coupled with the DC generator and excitation changes the DC generator across the DC motor also voltage changes. But it is the drawback is there. Because of the drawback, it is the bulky. Okay, the conversion of the AC to DC and the DC to are connected to variable speed. So that is it is a very expensive system. In the flexibility, require the regular maintenance due to the present of the DC machines. That is the DC generator are using and the DC motor are using. And come to the what is the drawbacks? It is considered black, bulky, expensive, inexpensive, inflexibility, require regulation maintenance. So due to this one, we can go to the modern electrical drive system. In the modern electrical drive system, we cannot use in the bulk of the motors. Bulk of the machines are not using. So it is containing the main components of the modern electrical drive system: power supply, power process, and the motor, and the load and the control unit. It is using for the feedback control of the motor speed control are using. So based on the motor control supply voltage, AC is there. Okay, so the requirement of the DC motor is acting as a we can using the DC motor. So that point of view, we are using the DC supply is there. The power process is acting as a rectifier. It is acting as rectifier. By changes the supply, by changes the firing angle of the rectifier, the corresponding the motor speed also changes. The motor speed also changes. This is the corresponding what is the requirement of the load torque is considering the motor torque. And so by using the control torque, you can firing angle changes. What is the command? What is the motor speed is required? So you can sense the motor either speed, either torque, either the voltage, either the current, and the control. It is connected to the control unit and the power process. You can control in the firing angle of the rectifier or inverter or AC voltage controller and the chopper point of view. That point of view you can base in it. So that is the difference between the conventional type electrical drive and modern electrical drive. That is the point of the you can discern. It is a thank you for